Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's Clickfunnels 2.0 tutorial, I would like to show you how you can create a physical product in Clickfunnels 2.0 with different variations. For example, if you are selling different colors or different sizes of this product. Two things before we get to that. First, hit that subscribe button that you can see below this video to not miss out on our future content about funnels and marketing. And second, if you don't have your Clickfunnels 2.0 account yet, you can find a link to the free trial of Clickfunnels 2.0 in the description of this video. If you use our link to create your trial, you will also get our Clickfunnels 2.0 course as a bonus. To create a physical product in Clickfunnels 2.0, go to the product section and then click Create Product. Select Physical. Give your product a name and also add a description if you want, or you can do it later in the settings of the product. Click Create Product. On this page, we should set a price for our physical product, and we can select between the one-time price, a subscription, or even a payment plan. Let's go with the one-time price. Let's imagine that we are going to sell a simple t-shirt and the price for that would be $20. You can also adjust or add different price points later in the settings of this product. Click Set Price. With that, we have our physical product created, and now we see the settings page for this product and can make some adjustments. I added a short description for the product, so we see where the description shows up on our page when we preview the funnel. Next, we can add an image to this product. For that, click Select Image. I will use the image that I already have from my library, and if you want to upload the image from your device, click Upload Images. In the pricing section, we see the price that we already set for this product, $20. If you would like to add another price point, click Add the Price, or if you would like to edit this price, you just click on this number and it will open the settings for this pricing point for you. By the way, if you have a sale for your product, you may use this feature in Clickfunnels 2.0, this Compare at Amount feature, and you would want to enter the original price in the Compare at Amount field. We would enter $20 here, and the reduced price in the Amount field, let's say $15. This way, the visitors of your page or funnel will see this price as original price and the new price as discounted one, and if they want to purchase this product, they will be charged only $15. If the physical product that you are selling is taxable, you can also tick off this checkbox and select the tax category ID here. Clickfunnels 2.0 also supports the shipping management and fulfillment. That's why if you're selling the physical product, you most likely will want to enter the product number here and tick this checkbox, Fulfillment Required. Right now, the tracking of the quantity is not supported yet, but it will be supported soon. But now we're just checking Don't Track Quantity. And last but not least, you can set the product weight here and the country of manufacture. If the purchase of this product unlocks access to the community or the course or any digital product that you have in Clickfunnels 2.0, you can also connect them here by clicking on this plus icon. And then I can, for example, select that after the purchase of this product, the user will be given the access to the Clickfunnels 2.0 Mastery course. And now we have finally reached the section where we can add different variations for our product. Let's add different colors and a few sizes. For that, click this checkbox, select color in this dropdown, and add different values. Click Done. Click Update Product to save the changes. Now we can see new variants that appeared here for our t-shirt, and we can also add a few sizes. Select Size in the dropdown and add different values. Click Update Product. We can also edit each variant of the product separately. For example, add different number here or an image. Let's do that for a few of these products. Click Add Variants. We have a white t-shirt here in S size. You can use custom description for this product if you want. And what you most likely want to do is to change the image to show the white t-shirt that we have here. Click Select Image and select the image of the white t-shirt. Now we can do the same for the other variations. Click on the variation name Select Override Inherited Image and select the image that you want to use. Click Save. Alright, I edited all the variations. Now we can go back to the product settings page. If you want, you can adjust the SEO and share information for this product. Also, if you want to add some text to this product, you can do it here, or add this product to a collection of the products. If you want this product to be visible in the online store that you have in Clickfunnels 2.0 or in the customer center, you should tick these checkboxes. With that, we are done creating the physical product in Clickfunnels 2.0, and what's left now is to test it, to connect it to a funnel and see how it looks on the checkout form. I have a page with the checkout element here. To connect our physical product to this page, click on this icon with 3 dots, click Add Product, click Add Product, and select our physical product. In the checkout settings, you also should select this option, Multiple Product with Quantity, because we want the visitors of our page to be able to select multiple t-shirts and also different variations of the t-shirt, and not just one t-shirt. After that, click Update. Now let's preview the page and see how the variations of the product look on the checkout form. We have a Select Product section here with the physical product that we created and the price that we set up. We are able to select multiple t-shirts. I can also select between the colors that we set. You see that the preview image of the t-shirt changes because for the black t-shirts we selected different images. And I'm also able to select different size. That's how easy you can create a physical product with different variations, for example, different colors or different sizes in Clickfunnels 2.0 and add this product to your checkout page. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications, and I will see you in the future videos. Bye bye.